there are literally dozens and dozens of different collaboration strategies with KOLs, and they literally range from paying KOLs as creative agencies, where they literally are just creating content for the brand itself and potentially not even distributing it on their own social media, because KOLs themselves have become master social media content creators. I come from a content creation background, and I look at content creators as being less creative and less knowledgeable than KOLs themselves, because I believe they have more experience, and they're also constantly looking at the feedback loop from audiences, where classic creators never look at the comment section of the content they create. So it goes all the way from content creation to, yes, one of the main verticals or one of the main strategies is product seeding. So literally just mass distribution of products, with sometimes without payment, sometimes with small payment, to talk about the products. If you do not pay KOL, say you distribute 100 products